Today we'll show you how to send mail to other Gmails. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first go here to your Gmail and go here to new message or compose or add message what you have. Okay, click and here put your mail or your Gmail you will to send it the text or something like that. Okay, just put here the Gmail. I will send to it. Okay, click here. This is a object. Okay, this is the title of object. This is the title of video. Okay, guys. Like now here, now we say hello, like and subscribe. Okay. So now click here like invite, or like send. Okay, click and wait a few seconds. Okay, finally now we have. So go to this is Gmail. We need now to set it. Just click to refresh, to refresh, to refresh number 3. We don't have this. Okay, just now click to refresh the page. Click and finally we have this. Yeah, did you see? This is an object. This is a text. Okay, guys. So don't forget like and subscribe and thank you for watching.